Okay, we can see some ice block behind also, so I try to check behind. There is a big item coming up. So the ice we just collected from behind, so be careful. It's on a bit, we don't have much play. Behind is the rotary coil, you can see. Okay, you can see here is the refrigerant, the evaporator. You can see the oil things already formed, frost. Also the fan connection, right? Yeah, so this one we cannot completely remove it because there are some connections here, so we need to be careful. Yes, so I hope it's a good view to directly experience how it looks. Here we can see the walls here, capillary tube and things. Yeah. So this is a vent, right? When it is controlled by our gate, it will help to allow how much air it need to go down to the below section, right? I guess that's what we can show here. Okay guys, this is the fan. So later I show how this gate is engaged. Yeah.